Hello student, today's topic is three questions by Leo Tolstoy. You know, Leo Tolstoy is one of the famous Russian writer, and today his famous story three question. And the main character of the three question, the story three question is number one, the Tsar. You know, Tsar is the ruler of Russia, and second is the hermit. Do you know who is hermit? Hermit is the person who pray to God in secret and peacefully. They mainly stay in jungle or on mountain range. And third is the bearded person. Let's start the story. If we wanted to know about the story, we will find that the Tsar who has three questions in his mind. The first question is, what is the right time to do any work? And second question is, who is the right person? And third question is, what is the right work to do? If the Tsar knew beforehand the three questions, no work will be failure. What he would undertake. For this cause, he proclaimed throughout the country that whatever who will give the right answer of the three questions, they will given the great reward. For this cause, the learned person came together to answer this question and get the reward from the Tsar. Some learned person told the to know the right time of a action, the Tsar must have taken the period table or calendar beforehand. Another person was contradicted the answer of the first learned man's question answer. Someone told the priest is the right person, and the scientist is the right person, and the magician is the right person. And in the same way, they gave the answer of the third question, what is the right work, indifferently. For this cause, the Tsar did not agree with them, and they will not get the reward from the Tsar. Then the Tsar went to meet a famous hermit. He is known for his wisdom, who stay in the jungle. But there is a condition of meeting the hermit. The hermit did not meet with the famous person or rewarded person. He only meet with the common person. For this cause, the Tsar went to meet the hermit with the costume of the common person, leaving his royal costume and also leaving his horse and bodyguard behind. When the Tsar went to meet the hermit was digging the bed to cultivate something in front of his heart. Going there, the Tsar asked the question to the hermit, but hermit did not give any answer and went on his digging. Then the Tsar took his spade and started digging, and the hermit was resting for some time. During his work, the Tsar asked the question repeatedly, but the hermit did not give any answer. At about working for 2 hours, the sun was setting behind the trees. On that time, the Tsar became somewhat angry with the hermit and asked the hermit if he did not give the answer of his three questions. He should said it beforehand, and he went home. But now he did not give the answer till now. On that very time, a bearded person was running towards them. He was wounded. Then the hermit and the Tsar together serve him and nurse him and make him somewhat cured. And the sun set and the darkness come down on that place. Then the bearded person were taken to the bed, and the hermit and the Tsar was resting. The Tsar was lying in trance of the heart and slept soundly. Next day in the morning, when the Tsar awoke, the bearded person said, "Forgive me," to the Tsar. But the Tsar did not know who is the bearded person. The bearded person told that he was the enemy of the Jar because he wanted to kill the Jar. The Jar killed his brother and seized all his property. From that time, the bearded person decided to take the revenge against the Jar. He came to know that Jar would go to meet with the hermit alone. For this cause, he was waiting in his ambush. And when the Jar would return, and on his returning way, he would kill the Jar. But the Jar did not return for a long time. For this cause, he came out from his secret place and faced with the bodyguard of the Jar. And the bodyguard recognized him and wounded him. And now the bearded person pray the forgiveness. If the king forgive him, the bearded man will be the best servant of the world and serve the king for his rest of his time, and he also would tell his son to do so and serve the king. Now a good friendship stay between the Jar and the bearded person. Now the enemy became the friend, and it is the best gift of a king. And in the morning, when the Jar was returning, he asked the question to the hermit again. But strangely, the hermit said that you have got the answer already. But how? Now the Jar exclaimed that the right time is during the digging of the bed. If he did not have the sympathy to the hermit and return to his way, the bearded person would kill him. So the right time is the during the time of digging the ground, and the right person was the hermit, and the right work was digging the bed. And on the other hand, the right time is the time of serving the bearded person. Right person was the bearded man, and right job was serving and nursing the bearded man. To make friendship with the enemy is the best gift of a king. If he did not serve the bearded person, the friendship would not make between the enemy and the king. So, in a nutshell, now the present time is the best time, and to the serve to the person who is with you is the best job, and the person who is with you is the best person. Thank you for watching. Please press the bell icon.